Hello everyone, good afternoon. Today we came here at a very famous project near Vavdan, Chandni Chowk, and the project name is Vanaha by Shapurji Palonji Real Estate. And you can see this is the first phase of Vanaha, which is already sold out currently. And just behind that you can see this is the golf course, full-fledged golf course, and some beautiful water bodies also, and it's a beautiful hill view, the valley view surrounded by the valleys. So in front of you can also see this is Symbiosis University. These buildings are of Symbiosis University, and just on the foothills you can also see those buildings behind the water bodies. These are the buildings, so which is a Flame University, which is a very big university on Pune, and just behind that we are having our second phase coming. So on the foothills of the side of that university. And this is the experience center. And let me show you the miniature model of phase 2. So this is a township of 1000 acres, and currently we are offering phase 1 and phase 2 only on 150 acres. So these are the buildings of phase 2. You can see all the facilities and amenities have been given. So you can also see the amenities on the podium level. And this is phase 2 buildings. So every facilities and amenities have been provided by the builder. Not only that, here you will get retail space, shopping malls, hospitals, everything, school, international schools. Everything will be on your doorstep. So this is the back elevation of the building. So let me explain you another thing, that these total towers will be hill facing, either east or west facing, either towards east or west facing. And this is the private hilly area or forest area which we will develop. Many facilities will be there, and this is only for second phase. An elevated road will be there. This is the elevated road for walking and jogging without disturbing the nature. We will develop this elevated road. These are the elevated roads, and many theme-based parks are there. And also there will be a watchtower to view the forest, upcoming birds and all things. This is the watchtower with elevated walkway. So this forest is dedicated for second phase only. And this is the miniature model. This is Oxford Golf Course, Golf Resort. And this plot is Flame University.
ऑक्सफोर्ड गोल्फ कोर्स, फ्लेम यूनिवर्सिटी, फिर वहाँ पे आपका 3 टॉवर्स है। ये तीनों जो टॉवर्स आपको
So now let me show you the location advantage. This is the location advantage of our project. Like you can see, just behind Vanaha, this is Symbiosis University. This is Oxford Golf Resort. Beside that, this is the entry from Mumbai Bangalore National Expressway. Just 2 kilometers from Mumbai Bangalore Expressway. This is the Chandni Chowk crossing. As you can see, this is Mulsi Road, just behind our project. This is Piranghat Industrial Area, and beside that, this is Indus International School. This connects towards Bhugao, and on the other side, this is ISBM University, Symbiosis University, Sunny's World, and this road is Soos Road, which connects to Hinjewadi. And this is also close proximity from Mahalunge Man High Tech City, Orchid Hotel. So everything is nearby, and it's hardly 10 minutes driving distance from Pasan Lake. And Kothrood is just 5 minutes driving distance from here. Now come experience our model flats. So this is the master bedroom. And view towards the valley. And this is the master bedroom. And the size of the master bedroom is approximately 13 feet by 12 feet, almost a rectangle shaped master bedroom with attached toilet space this side, and the deck area on that side, and this side is the toilet, common toilet space. This is another bedroom. And this is the living dining with attached terrace. And this is the entry and the living dining. And you can see this side is the dining space separated from the living, and this is the kitchen area. With a parallel platform, separate space for refrigerator. And on this side, this is the dry balcony area. You can see the dry balcony area. And this is kitchen countertop. It's a beautiful show apartment of 2 BHK with 2 terraces. The area is 780 square feet carpet. So hope you like this video. So if you are interested about this property, then please call us as early as possible. We are offering some great discounts currently, and offers are for a very limited period. So thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day. Please stay tuned for further updates.